right, good morning, everybody. We're gonna get up, we're gonna get moving, and we're gonna get nice and warmed up today. That is gonna be our goal. So here we go. First thing we're gonna do is actually a little bit different. We're gonna get right into the coordination. So we're going to move our arms out and then kick our leg back. Out, back, out, back. Okay, so we're gonna use this as one of our movements today. Just work on moving our body, getting our muscles moving, getting our blood flowing. We're just gonna warm up a little bit, all right? Here we go. Keep it moving. All right. Okay, here we go. As we get moving now, we're gonna focus this next movement on a little bit more of a balance component. So it'll keep us going cardio-wise, but also get us a little bit of balance. So we're gonna go here in about 5 more seconds, and then we're gonna go into that. And 3, 2, 1. All right, so now we're gonna keep one leg planted, and we're just going to lift one leg up. We're gonna keep that same leg marching. So it's a one-legged march, and we're just moving through, marching at our own pace, getting our leg up as high as we can. We're just gonna work on that right now. You're gonna get a nice good bend in your other leg that's planted. Make sure that's not locked out. We're just bringing up that other knee as high as you can. 5 more seconds, and we're switching. 3, 2, 1, and switch. All right, going ahead again. Now on this side, going on the left side. Drive that knee up as high as you can. Have that movement as you crunch your leg up. Have you feel it in the core too. Use your abs to kind of pull it up. Really make sure that we also get that full extension of our hip all the way down when we are going through. All right, here we go. Almost done with this one. We got one more move. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're gonna plant both feet, nice wide stance. We are going to hinge at the hips, keep our back really nice and flat. And then what we're gonna do here is we're just going to rotate, reach up high towards the ceiling, and then rotate, reach up high towards the ceiling. Try and open up our chest a little bit, get that rotation in there, and that torso twist. All right, here we go. Nice job, everybody. Keep it moving, try and really reach up. I can see I'm limited in my mobility on that one side, so try and reach all the way up, try and stretch it a little bit. Don't go towards pain, but just do stretch. All right, and a couple more seconds. We will transition now back into that first movement that we were doing here, where we kick back and bring our arms out, okay? So this one, we're obviously gonna feel it in our shoulders a little bit as we move through this movement, but then we're also gonna feel it in our hamstrings and the backs of our legs as we crunch our leg up and do almost like a hamstring curl. So keep our whole body moving and grooving today. All right, couple more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna transition in that one-legged march again. All right, here we go. Get that leg up nice and high. Use that crunch. Move on through. Here we go, halfway. Nice job, everybody. And that balance. Might feel some burning in those little muscles in our hips and stuff. Ooh. All right, and we're switching now. Here we go. Other side. Then we're gonna use our last movement, that rotation one. We're gonna use that as more of a stretch today. So this will be our last moving and grooving one that we're doing right now. All right. Nice job, everybody. Keep it moving. We're almost there. Just keep moving. Find that pace. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and done. Nice wide stance. Hinge at the hips. Keep the back really nice and flat. And then we're just going to rotate on through here. Okay. Reach up nice and high. All right, now this next one, we're gonna rotate and hold here. Hold. 4, 10, 9, 5, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Reach way up high as you can. And 5, 3, 2, 1 and done. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay up and stay moving and grooving all day long. You got this. See you later. Bye-bye.